Hi guys, welcome to Real-Time Automation. In this video, we'll see how to encrypt the data in Python using Base64. This topic is very important from the interview perspective and as well as in a framework guidelines. In healthcare and banking domain, you will be having a sensitive data. You cannot pass directly those user credentials or the sensitive data through your Excel or other files that you are using as an input, right? So you will be using this base64 for encrypting that one, and you will be passing the same in your input data. Let's get into a system and see the working session of this one. Open a Chrome browser and search for base64 encoder. Now click on the very first link. We can see encode and decode as headers. Click on encode. Type your password in this input field. Now click on the encode button. Now we can see we got the encrypted password here. Now we'll copy the same encrypted password. Now we'll click on the decode header. In this input field, we'll place the encrypted password and then we'll click on decode. You can see now we got the decrypted password here. Now we'll try to automate the same using Python. We will create a new Python file with the name encode-sensitive-data.py. From Selenium import WebDriver. From time import sleep. Driver equals to WebDriver.chrome. We will copy the path of the Chrome driver and we'll paste the same here. Driver.maximize window. Driver.get method. We will pass the form to home URL here. Now we will give two variables to store username and password. We will take our application username and password. We will paste the testing string as a username. For password, we'll go to the base64. Secret 11 is a password and we'll encrypt that one. Copy the encrypted password. We'll paste the same in the password field. Import base64. With respect to base64, we'll call the b64 decode method and we'll pass the password as an input for that one. This method will decode the base64 encoded bytes like objects. Using print method, we'll print message. With respect to message bytes, we'll call the decode method and we'll pass a ASCII as a string. This method will decode the byte array using the code registered for encoding. We will try to print message using the print method. In form to home website, we'll inspect the web element. You can see the login web element is having an anchor tag. We can pass login as an input field for find element by link text. We will pass some wait time after this method. Now we'll try to inspect a username. You can see as the field is having a input tag and we have a ID for it one. We'll copy the ID. We'll call the find element by ID method and we'll pass the username ID here. We'll inspect the password field now and it is also having the same input tag and we have an ID as well for that one. We'll copy the same in the find element by ID field. In the send keys methods, we will pass the username and password. We will inspect the submit button. We'll write a XPath using the contain text and we'll pass a submit as a value for that one. We'll copy this XPath and we'll pass a input for the find element by XPath method. And then we'll call the click method. After this method, we'll provide some wait time. At the end of the script, we'll call the driver.quit method. Now run the encode sensitive data.py file. Now we will wait till the script execution is completed. In the console you can see we have printed the encrypted password and then it printed the base 64 decode. Finally we can see the decrypted password, that is secret 11. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on the upcoming videos. Thanks guys.